This segment is sponsored by Home Comfort Experts.
Craig, have you turned your heat on yet?
No! I am always afraid to turn it on for the first time. Like something could be wrong, like a squirrel could be living inside of it or something.
We don't want a squirrel in there. Well, you need to call our friend James at Home Comfort Experts and he'll come get it all fired up for you.
Well, winter is upon us, whether we like it or not, and it's time to think about turning on that furnace. James is with me this morning from Home Comfort Experts. Boy, this is some equipment you've got.
Yeah, it's here to do the job. Cold's going to be here. We need to make sure we're warm this winter.
Well, tell me a little bit about what you believe that our friends at home should do when it comes to prepping for winter.
So first and foremost, if you haven't turned your furnace on, turn it on now. Don't wait until it's so cold that you and 500 other people are without heat that morning and it's going to be days before someone can get to you. Even if you're not ready to run it, turn it on now. Just make sure it blows hot air so that if there is something wrong, you can get it fixed now on your own time instead of waiting days and days in freezing cold weather. That's my first piece of advice. Second thing is if you haven't changed your filter yet, go down and check your furnace filter, change it for the season. A cleaner filter will always operate the equipment more efficiently. It needs to be able to get air through that filter. The third thing is a furnace literally is a controlled fire in your home. Have it serviced by a professional technician every single year. I don't care if your furnace is 1 year old, just installed, or if it's 30 years old. A technician needs to go through, do the normal routine cleaning and safety inspection to make sure that furnace is going to A, keep running all winter long and keep you warm, and B, run safely, not emit carbon monoxide, anything like that in your home.
Well, I think that is great advice. You know, I could probably change the filter,
Yeah.
but I do believe that, routine maintenance and getting somebody who knows what they're doing to check out this kind of equipment is just going to be a really safe for your family and really, really important. Now, the world has changed.
It has.
COVID is upon us and people are thinking more and more about the air that we breathe and the quality of that air. So what are some of the things that your team can do to help us feel a little more easy about what we're breathing in our homes?
For sure. I'll start with the fact that as a company, we are following all protocol. Our technicians are walking into the house in masks and gloves and shoe covers and anything, even down to the thermostat when we change the temperature so the equipment runs. We're sanitizing anything that we touch, emailing invoices instead of having to sign, with iPads or anything like that. As far as in your home, Home Comfort Experts has been the area's leader in indoor air quality for years and years and years. I've been on TV and radio talking about change your filters, upgrade your filters, UV lights that can kill bacteria and viruses, and duct cleanings, get the dust mites and the allergens and everything out of the home. People are now starting to take that more seriously and realize there's not many places you can go and who knows what's going to happen, and we're more concerned about the air we're breathing. As technicians out taking a look at your furnace, ask those questions. Our technicians are so well versed on what could help you in your home, give you any of the options that would fit in your home and your environment, and then let you make a decision from there. But yes, UV lights killing bacteria is a huge one. Air filtration, not just stopping the big dog hair from plugging up your filter or your furnace, but actually cleaning the air that's in your home, even getting into humidity, having proper humidity. Do we need to add humidity or remove the humidity to keep bacteria from growing and that sort of thing too? So if you have questions, I can promise you we have answers.
And there are so many options.
There are.
It's not like your grandpa's furnace, which was just like a switch on the wall. You turned it on and
yeah.
you turned it off.
Right.
So you're talking about these UV lights and all of these things that, I'm clueless. So really, getting an expert who can give you sound advice is really key.
It is. I wouldn't expect you to do all the research on your end. There's a lot of information out there. You could do some research. We've done all that research and trained all our technicians for you, right? So that we can present you with what would work in your home, what you shouldn't do, what you should do, and then let you make the decision from there.
I love that. It's like getting an A on the paper, but not doing any of the
Exactly.
research.
We'll cheat for you,
Oh
right?
my God, you're my cliff notes. I love it. Well, James, thank you so much. Thank you for welcoming us into the house here today and giving us a tour of your furnace. It's really amazing. So give them a call for all your needs. For information, you can give them a call at 574-255-4600 or go over to their website. Or, of course, find them on Facebook, Home Comfort Experts. So lots of great ways to connect with those folks. They are so knowledgeable, and they take out all the guesswork. I love it.
We love that.